Welcome back to another episode of the Roundtable Conference. I am your host Arnav Jain, and with me I have the junior school teachers who are part of the organizing committee of the second session. As we all know, concerts are an integral part at the Bishop's Co-ed School Kalyani because we believe they amplify the courage and confidence of our students on the big stage. So ma'am, let's start with you. The theme for this year's second session concert is Stuart Little. Why Stuart Little?
Stuart Little, every year we have the concert. So we start thinking a year prior for the concert.
Wow.
So actually the journey started with Dora the Explorer. So we all started discussing and planning about Dora the Explorer. Stuart Little being a classic movie, and we thought that children will also enjoy the movie and they'll get involved into that concert. And we just thought that it would be one of the best concert which we have done all these years.
Because it brings back so many memories from my childhood.
Yes, yeah. Correct.
So whenever parents and students will watch the concert, those things will flash again in their head. So it's a nice nostalgic memory. Ma'am, concerts, you need a lot of coordination and teamwork that goes on in these concerts. So we have the music department, the casting, the choreographic sequences, the art department. How do you work together to?
So basically, I started with the auditions that were done in the month of March. And then when we started planning, we also started selecting songs and everything. Then everything was jotted down, which teacher will be taking, what we went to the music department, songs will be playing with a natural tempo. So then everything was put into coordination, and then we connected with ma'am. And then that's how all the dances and everything takes place.
Collaboration is key. Without that, you cannot have a nice production. Ma'am, training senior kids is very easy for concerts because they know what they have to do. But with the younger ones, how do you work with them? What challenges do you have to face? And then how do you overcome these challenges?
We need a lot of patience with them because all of them are excited and everyone wants to participate. So even when we were having auditions, you won't believe it, but every child got a chance to audition. It's quite a big task for all of us. But yes, eventually, slowly, gradually, children started learning their lines when they were picked. And finally, they were more in clue and, in sync than us. Grasped very fast also. So that way it went off well.
So it's a nice experience working with children, taking the auditions, from the first day till now, when we're less than a week from the concert. How has their journey been? Have they improved? How have they improved? How has their journey been?
Yes, they have. From the beginning till now, definitely yes. Like Jennifer ma'am and Jessalyn ma'am, myself, we were with them. So from the beginning, day one to now, it has been a journey. And yes, they have improved, all of them, have given their own bits also. They've also added in, things where we modified according to what they've said, their view also. So it's been lovely.
And especially the pre-primary 4 and 5 year old.
Yes.
They're actually doing a very good job.
For the future, because then when they come to class 12 or move ahead in their life, speaking and performing on, which is necessary. Ma'am, what role does music play in these concerts?
See, without music, everything will be done.
Right.
And it's not easy, because of different age group we have picked up from class 1 to 5, but seeing the energy and enthusiasm, it's a good experience.
For second session choir, we have from class 1 to class 5. We include all the classes into the choir.
Because music is often overlooked. Because when we see, the cast, the dances, the art, we don't pay that much attention to music. But then, again, without music, as ma'am said, you can't have a concert without.
Basically, everything is important.
Everything.
The music department, the art department. Everybody, support staff, teachers, and our heads, they keep supporting us, guiding us. This has to be done. Even the parents. In case if we need any accessories and all that, we would approach the parents. They used to volunteer and they really help us. Yes.
Great. Ma'am, what did you learn while working together as a team in this concert through the committee of organizing?
Truly, I believe unity. There were lots of times when we were under pressure and there were lots of things going on, but by the end of the day, we worked as a family and through this concert we have come more closer, I feel. So I loved this journey. It's like going great.
Because many a times you may have a clash of opinions on certain things, but then how you work together and get the best out of the students is important. Ma'am, Stuart Little involves a lot of characters, animals. So how do you portray them on the big stage? How do you do that?
What we've done is that Stuart Little is the main character. So more or less representing him on the stage, costume, through his mannerisms. So we have trained him in such a way that his mannerisms, his actions depict that he is an animal. And the costumes play a very important role because we have given them costumes in such a way that they'll stand out. So that is how the animals we've portrayed. And Stuart Little and Snowbell, I think, are the highlight of our show. And our kids are amazing. They are very thorough with the script, extremely thorough with the script. Sometimes we lag behind.
They really know what they are saying,
But they know everything. So it's been really nice training them. And putting everything together has been amazing.
So costumes play a role.
Costumes
Because
play a very
getting that mouse on stage, that's very
Correct.
difficult job.
In fact, even the mannerisms, as in the way he's walking,
The body language.
the body language is very, very important. Even for Snowbell, we took a lot of time to train the cats and Snowbell, but I think that's the highlight because whiskering and the tail flickering, all those things we've added. So that's how the animals will be a little different from the rest of the cast.
Ma'am, how do you think that this, how will the audience connect to Stuart's journey as they will see in the concert?
Okay, so we started coming up with the concert thing. As ma'am mentioned, we actually started with Dora the Explorer. And when I remember one day, it's just gradually when ma'am was browsing through for things, she just saw Stuart and somehow she got connected. And the next day she called all of us together and she was like, can we go with Stuart? And I remember that meeting, everyone unanimously agreed on that fact. Like, it didn't even take 1 second for us to say yes to that topic. And so with the heads and everyone when it was done. And I'm sure the same nostalgic feeling will be there across children as well as the parents. So that tagline itself, Stuart, it gets that feeling towards the parents. And I'm sure all of them, they're excited to watch it. And the storyline also has a lot of twist. It's not exactly the copy of what the original movie is. There's a lot, not a lot, in fact, a lot inside that we have changed, we have added to it.
We add our own originality to it. So it's not exactly the same script that you have seen in the movie. So
There will be a twist.
Yes, there are a lot of twists. And moreover, we are celebrating uniqueness in every child. So the highlight of our show is a tale of belonging. So like Stuart, every child in our school is unique. And we need to help them build that confidence. So that is what is important.
Yes,
The message.
Deeper meaning.
There's a deeper meaning to the entire thing.
Deeper meaning.
That's why the children are going to learn.
Yes, because what we're seeing is it's just a mouse who's adopted, but then the deeper meaning of the play,
Yeah, exactly.
bringing that out, that's really good. And is there any one particular aspect about this play you've been very happy about of the production?
About the production, I can say the unity amongst the teachers, and we can say that we had our assessments coming up, but we were a little worried that whether the children will cope up. And no, after 2 weeks break, again we have to catch up with everything. But it worked very well till day. Like the children were also they didn't forget their dialogue, they didn't forget their steps, their position. They are doing an amazing job.
Great. Ma'am, now the last few days are left for the concert. So how is the environment within the cast, within the choreographic team?
I think
It is going pretty well. So basically, as ma'am said, we were really worried how it will turn out after the exams, because students have been totally disconnected from the practice or anything that they were supposed to do. But when we got back, we thought, let's give it a try. And the first run through itself, when we did on stage, they were all set, they were all good. That gave us a positive, no, we can pull it through in a very good manner. And the students as well as the teachers, they all have that positivity right now that they are having. And we are thrilled more than anything else right now. We are thrilled to see it on stage.
So everyone is confident.
Yes, of course.
And obviously, one very important thing is the second session is small in number, but we got a lot of help from the first session. Like the art department has helped us. They work for all the concerts, so they've helped us a lot. And ma'am and sir have made sure that, we are not falling short. We've got a lot of help from everyone. So, the entire school has worked as a team. That's your
Everyone
also less in number, we cooperate well with each other. So we don't have a lot of understandings usually. So we communicate and we sort things out easily.
That's one thing that always helped us, like to come back together. There are differences. There are a lot of things that because it's a production happening, but coming back together and working together.
At the end of the day,
Yes, that is what we always.
and the quantity doesn't matter. You don't need hundreds of directors.
Exactly.
You need those few directors who can bring quality in the.
Yes, actually, I can say that we are few, but we are strong.
Amazing. If there could be one message each of you could share to our audience, to the cast, in the run-up to the concert, ma'am. Any message you want to tell our audience?
In everything, let's be in unity, let's be united, and when we work together, everything will be successful.
I would go ahead with the theme itself. It says a tale of belonging, and it's very important for a person to know where he actually belongs. And I hope we all, when we go ahead in life and when we move ahead in everything that we do, we always remember where we belong and what are our roots.
So no one should be left out. Everyone should
Everyone should
taken
be
in
together.
Everyone is unique and you need to be proud of it. Whatever you are, you need to be proud of it. That is one message that we are trying to bring forth through this concert. So it's for everyone.
And I think we must also celebrate curiosity into the children, because every child is curious, every child is adventurous. So as teachers, as parents, we must ignite that fire in them, let them explore, let their curiosity basically develop. So that is what I feel everyone should take.
We shouldn't kill their inner
Yes.
fire. We should let them.
Yes, let them
Imagine.
think beyond the box. That's what I feel.
Because childhood is that time of your life, when you're living in your imagination.
Correct.
No one matters,
Yes.
nothing matters what's happening in the world.
Correct.
It's your imagination.
We all are precious, and especially Stuart, like Stanley Mouse, also is given an importance, and his feelings have been accepted. So
Everyone should be actually encouraged, especially children. They should be given that opportunity to take part in everything that they do, be it sports, be it concert, or be it any activity. Parents or anybody should just encourage them to do that.
Motivated to go on, pursue their dreams.
I have learned through this concert, it's like you should appreciate and the way God created you. Everyone is unique. How Stuart is unique in this movie. Just like that, every child and even as a person, we all are unique the way God created us. So we should appreciate that. If there's anything we are lacking, still we should praise God because He knows the best and He has made us the best.
That's one. You mentioned that you start deciding the theme 1 year before the concert. So, anything for the next year?
that's the one. Yes, gets over already.
Top secret.
But maybe tomorrow, after
We will see.
So, something is in the works.
It's actually serious story.
That's-
Once one concert gets over, we
And then.
we start thinking about the.
So, there is no break. There is never.
There's never. In fact, I remember there are times we all said, okay, next year maybe we can go ahead. There are things.
And I'm sure our actors have also learned a lot while acting, not just acting, but about the theme, about the play in
Yes,
general.
definitely.
How to, so in all aspects, holistically, they have been developed, the acting.
Yes.
So, you're confident about the acting?
Of course. 100%.
But we are really excited tomorrow.
So, how many kids turned up for your audition and then how many did you end up selecting?
Very interesting thing about second session concert. So when it comes to our concert, the total strength that we have is approximately around 350 children that we have in total in second session. And we have almost 84 children participating in the concert. So it's almost everyone. So when we go ahead selections and everything, we have to actually train every single child. So when it comes to a dance, let's talk about a dance. So usually when we go with 6 classes and select for one dance with 30 children, you almost get all the dances. But when we select children, we literally have to train every child, teach them dance. There are children who really don't know how to move their body also, but still they are on stage, they are dancing. We take time to train them. That's why we start a little early, but then we do make sure that every child is involved. If a child is interested, he is there in the concert and some of the other parts.
So you mentioned 284 children.
Yes.
Now 284 children starting from pre-primary till class 5. There must be an important role for the parents as well over here.
Definitely.
So
Definitely.
how do you coordinate with the parents?
Like the PTA members have been very helpful. So every time we needed any assistance to reach out to parents or convey messages, they helped us. Right from the time of selections till the final, like sending messages to the cast about costumes or anything, accessories. The PTA members have helped us a lot. New parents also have helped us, throughout this journey. I mean.
In fact, there have been times we needed props, we couldn't arrange to them, we couldn't arrange it, but then the PTA members, we just had to drop in a message to them, and the next day the props were here, the things were here.
Parents came to school also and dropped.
They went out of the way.
Out of the definitely.
So as ma'am has mentioned, costumes and props play a very important role. So ma'am, how is the costume design worked out?
Costumes, like each dance teacher was given that responsibility to select the costume. And then like Mrs. Bhavna Agarwal, she was like, we started very early this year. And then we have given the pictures, and even the fabric, I think they have done.
Yes,
There's one dance that where we needed a particular print on it, and which is not available in India. So we had given her an image. This is the print that we need. She literally printed the entire thing on a fabric and made the costume out of it.
See,
It's
we
custom made.
wanted
There are a
how
lot of
given us
custom.
like how we wanted. So
Specific to
you are the the dance.
ma'am, the backstage crew is often overlooked. So what role have they played? Is it a very cohesive team?
Yes, definitely, because they help us. Like we have our borders, the children help us with the backstage crew. So when we are moving props, sliding in, they are the ones that play that important role because they go on stage, they place everything, they take over.
The shifting between the scenes.
Yes, when there's there's a demo, when there's a or a blackout.
When there's a blackout, when people don't know what's happening, they know what is supposed to be where. They do the things.
And we have multiple props.
Yes.
Handling all those is very difficult. So the support staff and the volunteers play a very vital role in this, bringing everything onto stage and even clearing everything. So I think a lot of sync is required in this among the teachers as well as the support staff and the volunteers. All of us. Yes.
And of course, we cannot have a concert without a perfect set. So that's where the art department comes in. So how have you coordinated with them to get the perfect set?
Art department also they've done an amazing job. We have to just explain. We had one or
two meetings.
with Raj sir and Ravi sir and their team, like art department. So we have to just discuss with them like how we want it. So this scene has to be like this. I can't discuss. So this particular scene has to be like this, and we have to just discuss with them like this is what we want it. So it was done.
Basically,
they are like really
they literally brought our vision into life.
to life. I know they've done a good job. Amazing.
And it's very hard to adapt a movie into a play because in movie you have multiple cameras going on, multiple angles. Over here you can just show one set. So how do you adapt a movie into a play? What difficulties do you face, and then how do you overcome them?
So we started. I told you when we started about Stuart. The same challenges. We watched the movie together, and there were scenes that we wrote down. Okay, this scene we can implement. So scenes which interest us, and there was a storyline which we already had in mind, a theme that we had in mind. So accordingly, we sat together. We literally had written the entire script again, the way we want, the things that we can implement. And that's the way, we changed things so that we don't replicate what is there in the movie, but put up something that we connect, our children can connect and learn from it. So we did change a lot so that it is put up on a stage where a primary section child can perform and bring out things that they can.
So what we have done is we have bifurcated the stage into different zones. So their home is different, the garden is different, the city is different. So then that is how, although the scenes are not all together, but we have these different backgrounds which will like put everything together. And sound and light plays a very vital role, because changing of
Technical
scenes, yes, changing of scenes, light effects, that is everything that brings everything together. So in fact, even the sound, for even the littlest of movements, we have a lot of sound effects as well. So sound effects, light and bifurcation of the stage has helped us at great extent to, picturize it or show it in the way of a movie itself. So that's
So because you can't have multiple sets, you have different zones.
yes,
zones
we have
in the
different
entire- on the
zones on the stage itself. So the art department, I think, has done a
That's what
fabulous
they
Yes.
bringing it to.
All the best to all of you. I really hope that your hard work and efforts pay off, and this will be another magnificent production. We come to an end to our conference. Like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.